Hey, hi, hello everyone. Hey, hi everyone. I know that we don't have much people, like we don't have any viewer at the moment, but um, I can tell you that what I've actually, why I started live streaming and what's the thought behind that. Um, and just a second, let me just quickly check if this live is fine, or is this audible or not, because I don't see anyone in the chat room. So I just want to get tested out. One second. So can you hear me, guys? If you can just confirm, and if you can just um, reply in the chat, if you can hear me loud and clear, or you're hearing any noise or echo. So welcome to the stream. And as you can, you already, read my the title, right? So this is my first day, and I always thought that in this vibe coding world, and where you don't have to worry about much about the coding and stuff, right? And where you can also make your um, where you can also build make a good amount of money and like a big successful or um, with this by building your app or any web app or mobile app or anything. So that's, and I also already built something before as well. So now I'm starting the series to showing you guys live what I've actually done or what I'm gonna do um, while um, while building a real time in front of you guys. So first of all, that this journey, I don't know how long the journey is going to be, but I think the journey will take some time, but I think at the end we will achieve something. And what I'm already looking for to achieve is 1 crore rupees that I thought in the beginning, and I know that I'm going to achieve that my goal. Um, so um, so where I can start? Just thinking loud. Um, I was thinking about first for um, first for the idea, because that idea stage is it's really most important as well, because whenever you're trying to build something, whenever you're trying, because early days, early years, that you have a lot of ideas all the time in your brain. You saying, yeah, you know what, I can make this, I can make this. Yeah, I want to build this kind of application. I want to build. I want to start this kind of a business or something. But at the time, you don't have actually. You don't know programming. You don't have much skills, and but you have a you have big dreams to achieve, and then but you have limitations as well, right? Because you have to run programming if you are looking at the building an app or something like Android and all. But now with this AI world, and now we can call vibe coding world or whatever is that, you don't have any limits now. You can build stuff and all. So that's something um, I like to start um, with. So let's start with the looking for idea. First my first thing is to find the idea, because in this stage everyone's every I mean whoever wants to start building the things or building an app or something, they always struggle with this. So let's find the how we can look for the idea. I also have a cloud. I have a cloud subscription. Uh, you know, but I think it's good that as well to know how to use it. You cannot just say yes, give me some like $1 billion idea and all, and then it will be giving you all the list of the ideas and all, and then okay, I found the idea. Okay, this is the 10 ideas, and now what I can do? Okay, just give me other ideas, then you'll just stuck in the loop, right? Um, so we have to know that how we can find the best idea, or the idea, I can say more instead of best, because nothing is best until you make it. So I think that's one of the things that you have to find the idea, and how we gonna find that. So I will not say that just start using AI or a cloud or ChatGPT or something to looking for idea. I was like, okay, let's go to the Google, you know, and also I will say um, there is a startup.com, there's a lot of startups already built, you know, and they are getting more popular, they're getting uh, more popular, yeah, and also in terms of money, in terms of valuation as well. So what I can do, we will just start looking for tech startup launched in 2026. So if you can look at if you just search like this, let's go there, because now this is a journey of everyone when they looking for to find idea, the idea. So, and today's video, the start is going to be on how we can find the idea, you know. I'm not saying that all the ideas we can just, just scroll down and we can just find, and no. I think it's something which we can build solo entrepreneur, solopreneur. Now we can call solopreneur, and which you can build by yourself, like which I can build by myself, coding and marketing and everything. I should do it myself. So the idea is not, I don't want this like too big or too broad or something. Like I don't suggest to build like a chat GPT or like a cloud, or something like a bigger, really bigger, which can also include a lot of investment. And that is not something I'm saying. But as you can see, this page, find the top startups, So found it, we can just select, this is just 20 deal. Wow. Let's just look into it. And this is Pogo, the power of their data engagement per with Instagram figure and revenue, whatever. as you can see, they are 10 to 15. So what we can do, we will just looking at the size because we are looking at the startup which they are not too, I mean, which like we are looking for to start something for one person or two person can manage, right? So we want something like that. So as you can see now, when I just refresh, like just filtered out, then I found it. Agent place. So what is that agent place? You know, so let me open this agent place. Build agents for other agents can use. Build agents other agents can use. Okay. Something I think you have to build AI agents and then they can help other agents and yeah, something like that. So build agents for other agents. Is this something like pricing? Bill access credits, everything is nowadays happening with the credits, so this is also more important to understand that the app you're trying to build, is this going to be based on the credits, or is this the best going to be based on any functionality like kind of like a static apps, if you can say project management application, which is you can just build it and then you don't have to change anything all the time, like you once you build it, then you can start using it and then you can just start promoting it, instead of like instead of using any credits, so like there you don't have to, there your consumer or your customer, they don't have to use the credits, but they can just start using it, as it is. But like you want to use any like AI back applications where your customer or your consumers, they're going to use it all the time, the credits and all, to use the application. So that's dependent, as well. So for us, for me, let's see what this is the applications, AI agents. I can see most of the things are related to AI agents, World first straight shot super intelligence lab, make blockchain data. This is too much. As you can see, the open router, this is, um, I also know that what is that. And this is like you can get all any API keys for any all the different models together with a single API key as well. So there's something else. Computer, we automate phone calls with AI. This is also cool idea. I'm not saying that I'm going to build it, but yeah, just because this first live stream is more focused on, let's find the idea to build, So yeah, um, guys, if you're new in this, I mean, I know that, but I can say that you also looking for to build something, or you also start with this like me, that was your journey. I will request you can also comment in the chat, so at least I know that you're watching it, and you're live or like that, so at least you can start with, yeah, what type of application are you building, or you already building it, or like which application you're using to build, like anti-gravity, like a bolt, any, or lovable, or you programmer as well. I love to know. You can also comment in the chat. Um, what you're building, So that's gonna be cool, that we can share, and possibly I can also review your application. If you can already build something, we can also check. We can also review this application on the stream. Um, so yeah, so everything is fine. And also, I like to know that where are you from, guys? You're from the India, or you're from any other countries or European countries? Because um I'm live streaming from Netherlands, which is a European country. So yeah, I'm just curious to know that, guys, where you're watching from. I can also speak in Hindi as well, but I don't know because my subscribers, they're also from different continents, and they speaks English as well. So yeah, I like to know. You can just comment in the chat and So for now, um, I'm looking for the idea. Which idea we can build. So do you have any ideas? You can also comment and you can share which we can build. Are you always think that okay, I have this idea in my mind and I'm looking for. So you know what? I already spent much time for looking for idea, I guess. There's a lot of companies they already built something and I was always think that there is already uh, because you know what happened that whenever you think about okay I can build this I can build this and all, but this is already someone is already building it, you know, somebody already built it. So guys, if you're new in this stream, so I will just give you a quick one. I am I have a target to make 1 crore rupees, you know, until until 1 crore rupees. So I'm going to do vibe coding all the day. Like every day I'm going on a live and until I make 1 crore rupees, Indian rupees. Yeah. So that's something that's my target. So if you're new in this if you're new into this live streaming, please I will say I will request you can subscribe as well so you can get up to date with my everyday streaming as well. So let's go back to the idea stage. So you know what? After researching, because I'm not just researching now, why I want to show you this, I know this journey because lot of people in this nowadays they wants to try something or they wants to build something, but they got failed, they got stuck, they got demotivated, and they feel really yeah they feel demotivated while they're trying to build something, and because they are not with anyone, you know, they're not building with with their friends, or because most of the time you're building things by yourself. And okay, with AI agents or with AI you already built something, but then you're like, okay, what I can do now? I'm not making any money. There is no revenue. I spend my 1 month, I spend like a millions of credits, you know. So, and that's the problem. So I think because you're not building with anyone else, so that's why I want to build with you guys. Um, and all the time I'm going to have whenever I'm going to work on my project, I always going live with you guys, and we are going to build together. So let's start it. Um, So I know there's a lot of other startups ideas which we can check and all, but I think selected one idea. You know, I already thinking about it. Um, that possibly we can build this, which is called the AI planner. You know, so but let's make it more simple. You know, so we need some kind of inspiration. You know, we need the inspiration to build something. So what I'm gonna do, I will just go to the Google, or instead of Google, I can use my cloud as well. You know, I have a premium subscription, guys, so I can use it, right? I can use Fable and all, but this is not too like a really hard thing to or complex thing. So I can use like other models as well. So let me use anyway. Let's use Opus 4.8. Okay, how can I help you today? Um, I am planning to, no, I want to build an AI planner app, a web app. So user travelers can um, plan their uh, choose to plan their vacation mm, and other things but with help of AI. And I don't want to, I want, no, it. I want to make it simple for travelers. So I just write it down something. Normally we are just writing down like this all the time, right? And but this is just research. So I'm just trying to make it more and more realistic, like what other people they are using it, the way of using their AI. I'm also just trying to use it in that way. I'm not going to correct my grammatical mistakes and all. So, but I know there are uh, apps available in market. So find the best one which we can take inspiration from. Inspiration. So let me just hit enter and see, or else Cloud will respond to that. Now we are doing because now I'm building the AI planner app. And as you know already this about the series, this is a vibe coding app until I make 1 crore rupees. So this is the streaming related that. If you're new to the new to the stream, I will request you can subscribe and you can comment as well. You can tell me where you're from. Yeah. And I'll research the current best AI travel planners so we can solid inspiration and note this is a project. Let me dig in. So now my AI start working on it because we decide the what type of application I want to build. Um, and now I want to know about their competitors and just to get some more inspiration from them. Um, so so then it can make our life easier to, and because it's also one thing is that if your idea is validated, you know, then it's make it more easy as well for you to saves you a lot of time because you can just say yes, you can build it. Um, this is the features, you understand the features, how they design it. I know I'm not just saying that you can just clone it, but you can make the better version of the application what they already built, you know um, because if there is a chat GPT, then there is a cloud as well, right? Cloud, cloud, whatever you call it. And there is a perplexity as well. So there'll always be the option. So I'm not saying that the cloning, I'm just cloning it. I'm going to be make something new, but like um, something more with the features and I'm going to build that one, right? So it's completely my control and my application. So let's see. I got some results from research results. Starting from scratch here, the itinerary generation logic. What do you build with? Yeah. This is always something I'm already building before FrameSpot and all. So yeah, it's fine. Well, on the market, the space is crowded, yeah, but most of this mediocre in the same ways, which is exactly why there's room. Because you know what, when I was also planning my trip to Paris, I also have this problem, and I'm trying to use these applications, but they said that they're free, but when you just build your itinerary and when you want to get the download, they just blocked, because they say no, now you have to pay $10, €5, $10, something like that, or $20 or a month or something. So I think I will work on that later on, but yeah, let's continue. Lila behaves like a consultant, while Mindtree behaves like a draft generator, works like a travel agent with consultation. There's a lot of stuff. If I had to pick one primary reference, you say it's simple for travels. It's Mindtrip for the US shell. So let's, you know what? Let's check Mindtrip first. Let's go here. Um, let's Mindtrip. I think I already tried to use Mindtrip before for myself as well. So this is the Mindtrip. There is a login option as well. What other technologies they used? I will show you here. You can also see the technology they used. Uh, authentication, they use Apple sign in, Google Analytics, Next.js. Okay, UI, one CSS. Okay, Java framework, CS framework. Okay, cool. And ask anything. What is this? Unexpected turbulence. See, guys, this is the biggest application, but now it's also giving some kind of. See, now I got logged in or what? I don't know what's going wrong with this application, man. But as you can see, there is a features, and Paris, it's doing all the stuff, events. Wow. Now they're on the, and you can see that when they actually, no, we don't have to that. This is a big one. And what I can do, we also check Lila. I think I also used Lila before. Utrip. Yeah, you can. This is also prompt based. Uh, I want. I'm planning to go travel to Paris from Netherlands for 7 days. No, let's just consider 3 days. Then it will take a little bit less time. 3 days and 3 days. And I am Indian because let's see if this will, change a little bit with that. As you can see, yeah, let's accept all. It started like, yeah, trip checklist is, I think it's running some of the stuff in the back end, and then where to Paris, where from, um, and I asked who you're traveling with. So this is like a form or kind of steps they already built with their flow, automation flow, when you go and then. So now this starting, start 3-day free trial. No, bro, I don't want it. Let's see until it stops us to, to continue with this one. So let me check. Paris for your first anniversary. Oh, because I already used it before, so it also have my data. So that's why it's yeah, anniversary and 14th, then yeah. So it's already have my all data, so if I can just say generate metric, Lila is typing, and definitely in the backend there is other models working, possibly like I think some models from Google Gemini, or I think models from Cloud, or models from other AI models they already using in the backend. So we also can going to use that model, definitely. So now we only just checked what our cloud suggests, right? So what is saying that more? Here's the more valuable part. The caps that keep showing, which is your opening, the sagging up wall, template output, Jenkins, no, Jenkins, yeah, surprising number, low look finisher. Okay, for lean MVP, the whole loop is one screen and buildable solo on your Netlify Reacts, because I'm going to host it on a Netlify, the project. So for my tech stack, I'm going to use, I will just quickly show you what I'm going to use. Um, Let me just open my own stream. Oh, sorry. So as you can see, My tech stack, I'm going to use Next.js, TypeScript, and possibly also change. It's depending on my AI assistants. On Supabase, I'm going to use Supabase for a database, and up to use OpenAI models or cloud models, and if needed, I can also use Gemini, Google models. Also, and I'm going to use Netlify for hosting. Because I hosted a multiple website on Netlify, so I have a good experience with that, and also have good experience with Supabase. I already have hosted a lot of models, a lot of different database projects on Supabase. So this is something like a journey of that, and then now because I already used it before, so I think I need to clear the cookies, and then possibly I can use it again like a fresh. Let's see if this is possible, because I want to check their user journey, and then we're going to take inspiration from them, and we are trying to build this like a, now I'm not saying clone, but this is more like a kind of application we're going to build, right? So yeah, so plan trip to Paris from Netherlands for 3 days, and yeah, let's see. Now because I just cleared cookies and all, hope this will be understand. This will like forget everything what the, yeah. So now it's forget it. As you can see, now it will be ask me for like an where are you thinking of going? You know, I see cheaper flights. Who's going with you? Uh, what's the vibe? Are you striving artist budget or bonus? Whatever is that? Let me know. I would like, okay, when are you thinking of going? I want to travel next week. Let's consider 28 July. You know, who's going with you? With my two friends. No, and let's what's the vibe? Vibe will be um, just traveling and exploring new cit new cities. Yeah. Why I'm doing this to understand the first application, how their application will work, In that way, we will learn, and then we will see, okay, this is the flow they are using, and this is working. Because as you can see the traffic, I will show you something here. As you can see, I also have a traffic analyzer, which you can look the traffic. This is not a promotion at all, but I'm just for information. So this, as you can see, they have like a 444K like monthly viewers, you know. So it's workable, and they are really they are making good money. Trust me. And no, this is our language. What is this? Is it Celsius? Yeah, Celsius. So perfect. So for a trial, and guys, if you're new to the stream, I will request you can subscribe as well, and you can subscribe to my channel. And then because we are building something really great, and this is my challenge to myself that I have to build. I want to, and I will um make 1 crore rupees. And but until I mean, always continues doing coding until I make that 1 crore rupees. Uh, so if you want to join my journey, I will I can say yes. You can also join journey, but you have to subscribe. You have to showing your interest as well. You can comment as well. You can show me if you're really interested also building something. So we can also build together, right? And also I can review your if you build something, I will also review live on live stream your website, your application, your mobile application, whatever you build, and then we will review it as well. So something that we can so right. This is my first day. I can say more. I always call it day zero. You know. So this is my first day. If you're new to the stream, you can live subscribe, and you can like and subscribe. So let's continue. Now I just look because now I already decide to what I'm building is AI planner, AI travel planner. So as you can see, this is already some of their build, Mindtrip and the Lila Travel. It's a biggest to travel AI agents, I can call more platforms. So we are taking inspiration from them. So we are learning from them as well before building. Hey, hi, Pepperla. Sorry if I pronounce your wrong name incorrectly. So yeah, so let's continue. What is saying that, and now I'm just taking inspiration. So we are learning first journey, what the other application how to use, and then we want to build it. But let's continue. Try to explore Paris. Want know what he did. So July 3 days for three blah blah blah. Okay, I was like, okay, generate my trip. Because nowadays people they don't have much of I can say more uh, patience. So okay, just build it because my target also is to be like build something like this, but with a really less human interactions, and then app will understand everything. Yes, so I've already decided the topic for the build is that the AI travel planner. I'm going to build that one. But before that, this is like I start with the some research, So, and I'm doing some research with cloud, and I found two of them which I can take inspiration from. So, this is the application I'm going to build. So I'm not saying I'm going to do a 100% clone, but like inspiration. So as you can see, guys, this is they already suggest me something, and we already got something. And this is so as you can see on the right side. Um, this is look like more like a no-code builder as well, like a bold or lovable. This application they build. And the left side they have a chat option. They can AI chat option, and yeah. Like booking is the next step, but I'm more focusing on the AI travel plan. But start with the basic recommendations and all. Is We can also do next in this application. To we can also tie up with the AI, no, with the hotels as well, hotel chains through Booking API. So then our users, I mean the customers, they can directly book it from our platform. So we're gonna complete. Um, so I want to build like an end-to-end thing, like when somebody it just comes to our platform, they start looking for it. They just build their planner first, and the other side, if they want, they can also like add to tree. For example, um, like just select it, right? This is like a hotel booking, but I'm not going to the hotel booking at the moment. This is like a next thing. So let's continue. um I don't want to book any hotels, and I only want itinerary for me. So let's see. I want to use actually I want to start with the anti-gravity, but I want to use a cloud. That's for sure. And I already have a cloud subscription as well. So I'm going to use a cloud for that. And honestly, guys, if you don't pay, I mean, I'm not saying that everything is going to be free for in this world. Nothing is free. And for that, you have to start paying it. If you want to make something, you have to spend something then. So honestly, that's why I also got the subscription, and I don't have any limits. I have a limit, but like it will be also refreshed in 4 hours. So that's fine. So as you can see, 3 day Paris urban adventure. It's already giving me something, right? But now, as you can see, your trip is complete. So they already gave me some like a trip. Well, they already built a trip for me. This Lila, but now it is asking me for to start free trial. This is the actually conversion. What they call this is the conversion. Convert your leads into the money. So where they can, they are, that's why they also give you the option for a trial. So at least some of the people, they just, okay, I don't want it for a month or year, I can just start with a free trial. So this is like a conversion gate where they convert you from just raw data to the money making thing, because sometimes you forget to cancel the free trial. So let's not go deep into that. But what are we looking for? We already got it. The structure, you know, the structure, as you can see, we can, as you can see, this is a lot of stuff. So let's go back to the cloud and say, okay, the whole loop is a one screen buildable solo on your Netlify. One intake screen, destination, dates or length, who's going by, blah, 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 blah. There's a lot of instant day by day draft as a photo cards, photos, places API photos like frame sort. Yeah, because I already used API, Google API, Google Maps API. That's called, they call the places API for, so you can also sync all the, you're seeing everything in the Google Maps, all the photos and all. You can also get all the photos to your website through this API. There are also some free tier as well, so you don't have to pay anything in the beginning. A chat box for refine set. Okay, so now we want to build something. We want to start building, right? So we can set it up. Can charge by every payment a fee, so you can get the money and you get more users. Yeah, I mean, yes, there will be the other options. You can definitely explore while we already started it, right? When we have the platform, like you can also create like a credit system. Some people, um they don't want to actually subscribe it, because not everyone is traveling every day. But you can also use some other options, so they can, like, okay, this is like a $1 thing, this is like a $2 thing, or like a $2, $1, something is really, really, really less, right? Or to just, you can download it, if instead of free trial or something, you can say $1 thing. Yeah, yeah. That's also, you can call it the service fee. So we have to start building, but you know what? Let me first get the anti-gravity. I'm using anti-gravity IDE. I can also use, actually directly start building in the cloud, because I have also cloud code where you know what? I also want to know from you that which one should I use, cloud code or anti-gravity? What do you think? Which one you guys, if you're watching it, which one you have the best experience? Because for personally, I build a lot of stuff in the anti-gravity, but I recently also build. I will show you. I also build a browser, actually. The real browser. Just out of curiosity, I already installed the browser on my laptop. So this is the browser. I build this browser completely, I mean, yes, with a code, but with a cloud code. I build this browser. As you can see, this look like a little bit more like a Chrome, but yeah, this is, I build it from the scratch. All the things, everything, as you can see, settings and all, everything. And one thing I also extra build in this browser is that the spreadsheet. Um, this browser have This browser have I build a Excel spreadsheet feature where you don't have to get any subscription, anything, or login at all. You can just start. You can just start using the spreadsheet in it, and you can just file. You can save as, and you can create this is like an Excel, um, like an inbuilt Excel for, and I was thinking to again continue building with this document and presentation. So then you have a one browser with this some applications, which is like, and then later on I will also add AI, and also AI that you can also run locally, which you don't have to pay anything to the AI. Some there's with the like not those I could say more lower weight models, where they don't consume your lot of CPU and all. So that's something future, but this is just something I build, and I will just want to show you here YouTube. And trust me, guys, this took some lot of time as well, and the credits. It's not. I'm saying that nothing is coming for free, right? And this is my channel, and as you can see, right, this is what we are doing. Got it. So, and as also already add the ad blocker into this one, like inbuilt ad blocker, um, and spell checks and password managers, and there's a lot of stuff. I need to still work on this one. Yeah, thank you, bro. So now I will just close this topic because we are not looking at that. This is just like what we can build, with a cloud as well. As you can see, this is the everything related to the cloud. But let's go back to our main topic, our AI travel planner. So what I'm thinking to start with the cloud, or we can start with the anti-gravity. What always I have like, okay, I want to start with the anti-gravity. I don't know why, but I have to start with it. And I don't need anti-gravity subscription for that. I can use a cloud inside of the anti-gravity. So then I don't need any subscription for cloud. And yeah, what do you, what, but what do you want me to answer? Like a launch? What launch? The browser, you mean? You mean of the browser when I was going to launch the browser, or something else? And if you guys new to the stream, I will again say, if you like my live stream and if you want to join my journey, and this is about we are building AI planner, AI travel planner with the no code. This is my different projects. I will start a new window, and I will close this one, save, and this is the one. If you're new to the stream, I will request you can subscribe to the channel, and you can help me to motivate me, because this is not just my journey. I this is going to be like journey of a lot of people. I haven't reached those amount of people yet, but I think this is journey, or this is like a dream of a lot of people, that they wants to build something in their life, and they want to also become a millionaire, billionaire. I'm not giving you like a dream to like you can become a billionaire, but I will say, if you start today, you can build something by tomorrow. But if you're not starting anything today, it will be nothing tomorrow. It will be nothing. There is will nothing, and after some days or not. So start building it. If you like my journey, if you like the way I'm talking, well, like way of working or something showing, please subscribe it, and motivate me as well. Keep me motivated. So as you can see, as already just started, and we have to. This is a anti-gravity, guys. I don't know if you guys know about the anti-gravity. Are you aware of the anti-gravity? If you can come in, and so I at least I understand if you're aware of it. What is anti-gravity? If you don't know the anti-gravity, because I want you to also you want to learn, right? I also want you to learn as well. If you don't know something, tell me. I will help you to explain, uh, and then we will continue. So if you have some questions, please feel free to comment in the chat. I will reply to that. Hey, hi, Krishna. You want to know what is anti-gravity, or you already know about it? I know there will be a little bit latency as well. So I think we can start with the anti-gravity. I will just give you a short little bit like info about it. this is a IDE tool. This is not like a no-code tool. This is more like a real development tool, kind of a VS Code if you guys already know about it. And but this is more. This is recently launched by Google as well. So this is a real tool. This is not something someone launched with an again no code, right? This is actually built by the developers. Oh, great to know, Krishna, that you are aware. So then we can start. Uh, so let's we have to first create our folder for project folder. What I'm doing that I always like creating the project folder in one folder, like a Google anti-gravity, and I always use like a download folder. Guys, if you're looking at, if you can see some of the stuff which is not, which is like my personal something, so please just, you don't, I'm not asking, you can close eyes, but you can just ignore. So as you can see, I'm already working on something else, but I will like, let's create a new folder and let's call it AI Travel Planner. And let's select it. Wait a second, open it, select the folder. Now, what's going to be happen that whatever we're going to build, we're going to build, and it will be all the files, everything will be going to be created in this folder, right? So we don't have to look all our folders again, like all the files, where is that, and all the stuff. So whenever we're going to build it, and when then all our code will be also stored in our locally in our laptop. If you want, we can also use GitHub for that, right? And we can also use some other stuff. But for now, I will just want to use and just store all my files locally, not now with the GitHub and all. So this is just blank, right? This is nothing. And as you can see, yeah, sorry, just I can mention that, what I can do, I will just add here, but no, it will begin going right. Um, I'm building the AI travel planner. This is something that I'm taking inspiration from those applications like Lila and all, which we can which you can travelers, they can create the planner, with help of AI. And we're going to use like a different models with for multi-agent models, for that multi-agent model, like any Gemini model or a cloud model, or model from ChatGPT as well, for a different task. So then we can also uh, um, manage to use the less tokens, because at the end, if you're using AI, this is not for free, right? But I also show you that how we can use the less token, and or a less of less money to build something like this. Or we can also use open router, because open router also can give us some kind of a credit for free, with some free models, and some of the models can be also, yeah, like easy for us, or I mean enough for us to we can use, right? So as you can see, this is there are some of the models here, right? And this is offered by Indian audience, isn't gonna be pay, right? So are you targeting out of India? Um, Bro, I think this application is more for like I can say geolocation, right? For geographical. How can I say? Yeah, geographical. Yeah, this is not only particular to the one country. So I'm not only going to try targeting India, but I'm targeting the like anyone can plan their traveling plan. But I think we can do one thing. Whenever we someone, like for example, someone is using this application from India, then we can also plan, so they can also the pricing will be different for India, or something we can, or we haven't decided yet that part, right? How the pricing will work, or we can use a credit system, or we can use a one-time pay, or we can use like a subscription base or monthly, because I don't think so. You know, yeah, I haven't decided yet. So I think in later on with this series, we will also work on that. that how we will pay going to be charged for that, you know. So I know that sometimes this needs to be uh, decided in the beginning, but I don't want to make it that, complex too much, you know. So we can start making the stuff day by day, new stuff, and there's a lot of questions as well. Because if I just start looking for everything in the beginning, yes, let's have a plan, let's make it what is our goal? Yeah, that's already have it the goal, but um, I will show you that, guys. I already built something here. Uh, yeah, it's a good question. Minecraft is free. Who said that? Okay, you know what? We can, because you now mentioned this one. So what I can do, I will let's me how this those two uh, EI travel planner makes money. Let's see. Yeah, that's actually the legacy system, right? Like the that all the planner company, travel companies, they have like, okay, affiliate program, and they make some money out of whenever they have any conversion or any click or something. So that's going to be the option as well. That we can also consider, that's the option. But still, like some people, they just want to have okay, I want to travel to Paris. Just for example, yeah, I'm not just because I traveled to Paris recently. That's why I just mention all the time. But like for travel to Paris for only for 3 days. But if I'm going there for first time, I don't know where to travel, which is the best places, and I have a very less time. So then AI will help us to create that, right? And I think, let's see, if Mindtrip is free for travelers and leans on two things. Booking is free for individuals, and the revenue model is affiliate commission. When users book hotels, flights, activities, links to their itineraries, price line, and B2B Mindtrip for business. Solution for tourism board and blah, 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 blah. Pricing, white label widgets. Okay. So then create a program where creators earn per register up to, okay. Magic link plus commissions, future bookings. Yep, yep. And Lila is a three stream. The main one is booking commissions. Yeah, as it is. It earns a commission from partner like booking.com. I also think about that. Sky Scanner. Yeah, on the top of that, there is a premium subscription, free basics plan, plus a premium tier. Per stream, the clarity pushing headset, hardest B2B white label. Most of the time, this kind of AI travel planners, they're earned from the B2B business. Why? Because of if you're also working, and in your office, you have like you get the access to the one of the travel planner access travel planner platform, like a business. And where if you are to travel through for a business, you can book from that platform, and you book hotels and everything. So whenever we are booking something, they got also commission from that, right? Affiliate thing. So that's also one of the thing that when you're going to have to do the B2B. for travel planners. Seems like a very hard market to make a stand in. I mean, you will be depending on a lot of on Google APIs and stuff. Without conversion to booking, just the API cost will suck your money dry. Yeah, man, that's just completely a fair point, And but you know what? If you can just start, that's the thing, and that's actually the problem. I can say more. Why? Because whenever we are trying to build something, whenever we are trying to make something, w- like making a $1,000 or making a $100 or making a 100K dollars, this is not easy because for making a $100 you have to spend as well like $80, 100 more than $100 in beginning. So like, and whenever you're trying to build something like this, you always have these questions like, bro, how I can make it, because there's already in the market there's a lot of competition, and this tool is already for free. Some of them are free, or some of them are like taking a subscription cost or something like that. But then but then still there is other options available, right, in the market, with the more different features, with the more different, little bit different tweak of the features and all. So but it doesn't mean that there'll be no other options, right? So I got your point, but I don't know. Yeah, at this moment I think most, um yeah, if you have some idea, I'm happy to explore as well, right? Because this is like a journey, and this is actually the reality, right? Because people that are having a problem like this in their life, for example, like me, just consider me as you, right? Now I'm also trying to build something. I'm getting some questions, right, like this, and this is where we can, you know, communicate, and this is where we can start, and we can say, okay, this is a good idea or this is a bad idea, you know or how can we actually find a good idea, and this is something where we have to discuss, and that's where something, um, like we have to uh, find it, like which we can build actually. I mean, I thought it like, okay, I can build AI planner, and because the AI, because traveling market is the big market in the world as well, right? And every day there's a lot of like millions of people that are traveling. So if ever there will like already 100 platform already in the market, possibly there will be space for 101 or 1001 and 100K and one. But there will be possibility that you have to also um, stay strong, and you have to fight for in the market when actually you're going to make money. But yeah, but I think it's good we can just, yeah. What's your thought on this, from farm assist, or someone else have some ideas? Like I'm because I will show you something. I also build this one, wait a second, where is that? No, 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 not this one. um, I haven't finished. I mean, yes, I almost worked a lot of stuff on this. This is almost ready. And you know what? What is this platform? I will just give you some in short. This platform is for like you will the customers or the business. This is mostly for the businesses. They can track themselves, like if they're got stuff, like people they're searching their brands in this AI chat, or not searching, but like whenever they use AI, is their brand appear in the chat, you know and what is the behavior, what is um, like, visibility, sentiment, what is their position when, for example, if I search, okay, which is the best mobile phone under $200, so then you will get to know about the 10 searches, 10 results, sorry, and which position your brand right now at, so you will find that as well. So this is something related to that, and I will quickly log in. I will show you. So as you can see, this is I just added some for testing, like a WhatsApp, and where you can see all different models you can track, and the prompts you can start prompting on it, you know, and you can see there is a prompt results. You can click on the prompt, and you can see the cloud best messaging app for free. So in the first one, you can see there's a WhatsApp is in the first list. The second is Signal, and then whatever is a Google messaging and all. So then it says, okay, it's first ranking is positive. It's mentioned. So I'm actually think build this one. I've spent my a lot of time on this one as well. As you can see, I already add API keys where you can add multiple API keys for different platforms. And also we can add more, and also for billing as well, and team members you can invite. So there's a lot of stuff. You can also track your competitors and all. So this is the competitors, and you can also build the reports for like a 7 days report or 14 days report, 30 days or custom, because and you can see that if you can just go to the May 1st May to the today's date. You click on download. This is like when you have um okay, wait a second. So this is like your AI visibility report, 78 days analysis and about complete report for your brand and all. So this is a really important things for the businesses, for the brands. So because I'm also working, full-time working, and I also understand this is really important for them to know what's their position. So this is something I already built it. But this is not a topic. I understand that, give me a second. So, oh wait. That's why I call this, that's why I call this first stream session is for like looking for the ideas, you know and the day one, day two, it's not like in a days you build and you will make like a 1,000 crore rupees, or no, what, not 1,000 crore, 1 crore rupees. And this is like a journey, and I want to actually live the journey together with you guys. I want to know your thoughts about it, right? What your plan to build, we will do, we will validate the idea as well, right? And like, doesn't matter, guys, this is already built by someone else, and you cannot start, or I know there's a lot of struggle, after that. There will be always struggle. There will be someone is doing struggle for, or there will be other people already building it. Like if you can just search here, AI travel planner. You can also earn from the AdSense and all, right? So that's also other options. As you can see, there's a lot of them. See, monkey travel, what is called monkey travel. So now, as you can see, the when let's check when this guy started, or the girl. Guys, I will show you this. See, look at this one. Bro, this is too big. because I'm just curious to show you this plan trip. This is completely made by ChatGPT, yeah? Or the, as you can see, looking at the fonts and all, I can say this is completely made by AI. Yeah, and I will show you. As you can see here, I know because of my stream you're not able to see, but now this guy, this domain is bought like last year, like on the October, yeah, like in last year, and this domain have recently this year started getting a like a 7.5K visits per month. But he just start, right? And this guy is completely built this one with AI. Trust me, I can tell this is complete AI built thing. How I can also sure see, I know it. As you can see, can looking at this, we can also check. Just put it on a Versal. So I can tell you guys, this is like a AI stuff. How it work, destination one, tools, like a Prague trip. He also used some of the APIs, definitely for free. So let's do it, right? Prague, plan Prague, add travel dates. Let's consider 23, 1 summer. See, all they have used all the AI generated things, yeah. So all the icons and all. See, busy and all, adventure seeker, just me, continue. Adventure seeker, yeah, just this is again another, loading screen and all. Let's see. You don't think that this is not, they're not using AI? Definitely they're using AI in the back end. Definitely this person is using any like AI models, in the back end. Without AI model, this is not, yes, this is possible, but still this is used by AI models. And that's my point. I just trying to explain. Scroll down to the chat. Why you're crying? Bro, what happened? Don't cry. Scroll down to the chat. Yeah, I cannot scroll more down. But don't cry, don't cry. We can build it, That's why I'm here. So, and where that's why actually I'm here, and that's why we are discussing we are this all the topics, and we can build something, trust me, and we can make money with this at the end. That's our goal, right? Seeing for some reason. My chats are missing for some reason. No, bro. As you can see, a lot of my chats are missing for some. I don't know. I can see all your chats and I'm reading it as well, guys. I'm reading everyone's chat. If you are really live, you were watching this live, please, I will suggest you can write what's your idea, because I'm going to build AI travel planner. Doesn't matter at any cost. Yeah, yeah, I'm going to check that as well. Doesn't matter which, if it is already built, doesn't matter how much money I have to put, doesn't matter which AI model I have to use, doesn't matter. I'm going to build AI travel planner, the working app, and you will watch this journey and you will watch in coming some like a days, like the complete journey of an app, and you will definitely gonna love it once, because in the beginning nobody likes it. There is a scratch, like there is a empty house, nobody likes it. But when you just fill the house with all the stuff, all the your nice furniture, your TV, your PlayStation, your nice kitchen, fridge, and all, and some more lightings and all, then your house looks good, right? So, and then people also ready to pay for that as well. So that's something, that's, and today we are at the stage where we have a blank house and we have to build that house. We have to make that house, make it more nice and all. So whatever is going to be the reason, I'm not going to be stop myself to building this AI travel planner. And I finalized this topic. So if still anyone have anything to say about it, I'm happy to know. You know, give me a second. Just let me adjust my streaming thing. Oh, why not? It's going down. But anyway, this is more enough for me. Okay. So yeah, I'm also watching. I'm also reading all your comments, guys. Comment yeah in the chat as well. So if you have any doubt, and I'm building again, I'm saying I'm building AI travel planner at any cost. How much money or how much time I have to spend, I will spend it. Making an app in a crowded market is too much of a gamble. Bro, this journey is not to like I can say more like forget about the crowd, forget about everyone, forget about the who's living next to you, who's doing what. If we always looking at that, okay, there's because market is always crowded. Doesn't matter which stream. Because if you're looking at, okay, let's forget about the AI travel planner. Let's think about some other application. Let's think about other ideas. Again, you will find some kind of a crowd over there as well, right? You'll find the crowd again for something else. And because of this humanity, this world with the AI world, there will be always a crowd. Yes, I'm investing my time, my money, but at the end, if I trust myself, if I just continue building it, if I'm making it, I will learn the lot. I will possibly, okay, I'm saying, yeah, possibly I cannot make like 100 crores of something, but I think I would know how to make that from zero to 10,000 rupees or 0 to 100k rupees, so at least I know the journey, I learn the journey, so I can, after that I will also can build something else. And I already have that community, I already have some that big where I can also stand myself, you know and I think, bro, I trusted on this. I don't know if I sorry if somebody don't like it, but I trusted on myself. And I will also say that to you as well, guys. You can also trust yourself, because when you're starting, then everything is looking like really hard or already built it or something. But when you launch it and when you can see the results, and when you keep build, if you can keep doing it what you like it, then doesn't matter if it is already crowded, doesn't matter if it is already, because as you can I can tell you, there is a lot of different application, a lot of different I will show you here. If you don't trust me, you can't. The product hunt, right, guys? So you can see a lot of different application launch every day. Every minute there is a lot of new application launch, and there is also always something is new coming in this application, or some of that are really same, right? As you can see, turning fragment knowledge into a one simple system, learn Japanese, you creative AI co-director, build landing pages with, bro, this is already there. Cloud can also build it, right? Yeah, that's my point. Like as you said, you just mentioned, right? My brand scan app is very similar to this website called Searchable. That's the thing. Like already there are other, like they also got 40 million funding, right? Not just that, but also if you know the peak AI, I'm actually got inspiration from peak AI while I'm building my um the application, the brand scan. Oh no, that is one, sorry. So brand scan, right? So everything is possible, guys. And they just got the like they're the big AI, they are the different level now. But if you know about the Tribe Found, they're also like $1 billion company. And this Peak AI just a 1 year old company, you know. It's not too much old, like 1 or 2 years old, as much I can, what I can, what I know. But you cannot just say, and there's a lot of other companies they are building this kind of a stuff. So there is a possibility that possibly you will not achieve that much, but there is a possibility that you will also achieve it as well. So, but you cannot always accept the negative possibility, right? You can understand about that. I will not say just blindly start doing something, but I can say more like just do research and start believing in yourself, and then you will reach this ground once. So, this is a PK as well, like what I was building, what farm assist talking about. So let's continue with our my like our area. PKI. Let's close this all. No, we don't want this more. Yeah. So like this is a monkey travel app and all, right? And there is also some more travel agent AI Pro. Wait. Yeah, travel agent AI. Reject all. Travel agent AI also getting like a 10K of hits. And what when they have bought this domain, this is they bought it like old time, old like a 4 years back. This is a completely different way, but I think it's also like the same. Yeah, I don't want to log in. Trust me, guys. So there's also option we can also build with like a guest accounts, because people don't want to log in, they don't want to share their things and all in the beginning, in the later on possibly. So we can also looking at that direction. Let me look for others. Staple, Arial, Monkey Travel, Staple. This one, I don't like their website much. Now again, they're asking me to, no, I don't want to log in, guys. But I can see here, there's an option. I mean, there's how you can see how this look like. I think they use a framer to build their landing page. Okay. So I'm always saying that, we have like a more than um 6-7 billion people in the world, right? So, and we don't want the 1 for 6 for 5 billion people to buy our product, right? Or buy our service or visit our service or use our service. If 1 million or less than 1 million as well, they use our product, right? And less than 100K people, they pay for it, we are profitable. I know for using by 1 million people that will be cost a lot as well because of AI and all, but that's something we also have to tackle, right? How we can use the less one, how we can use build some functions for that, which we don't have to use AI then for that. So let's, yeah, also frames for any Indian developer communities you know of where people are actively building their startup or SMTG. No, as far as I don't know yet anyone. So if I know someone, I will definitely mention here. I'm going to check which Rhythm Travel app, because we're, yeah. Oh, they don't have a online website. They only have. Oh, I think I also use the Rhythm Rhyme. Sorry, not Rhythm. Rhyme. When I was actually going to the Paris, I think I used the Rhyme a little bit. It's good, it's also a good one. And they still have 15K. because of their most of the things they have in their app. Everything is on their app, and it's a mobile app, right? This is just a landing page for the mobile app. No, it's an app only. Also, iOS users are most likely to pay. Yeah, true. Oh, yeah, because yeah, true. I have the iOS as well. So yeah, they have a nice downloads as well, and most of the things are free. So um, not everyone is paying for that, right? And they don't have Android yet. Wow, why not? I don't know. So we are still, now we are struggling again because not struggling, I can say, but we can, this is something's happening. When actually you're looking for the idea, when say yes, this is the idea which I can build, and then you're like, oh shit, then bro, you know what? This is not something like I will like it, you know, and this is not something I can build it. Um, you know, so how, hello brother, keep up the grind. You just earned a new subscriber. Yes, thank you. Thank you to subscribe my channel, because this is actually the motivation, and thank you, Duple AI. Oh, is this and I will, be hello. If you guys you also want to review your website or your application you already built it, we can also do that in the live streaming while in this journey. So I will love to do that as well for you. So you will get 1K subscriber just to be yes bro, I love your spirit. Thank you. Sorry, I don't know if it's bro or girl, but thank you for your motivation. I really loved it. Is it your YouTube channel? We'd like to explore it as well, right? We can also explore it quickly. Dupleea, because I can see that's like a AI. Oh, wow. You also have a YouTube channel. Great. What are you making there? Mm-hmm. Nice. Guys, shout out to Duple. Is it something like a platform or just your name? AI interest sharing AI news tools, builds, and automations, helping people understand and use AI in. We are not promoting anything, guys. We are not promoting anything. This is just because of my uh, subscriber or the viewer. I'm just looking at their channels as well. This is like just a realistic view. I'm not doing something promotional, nothing. I'm just uh, I'm just trying to be myself, you know. And yes, want to do vibe code tutorials. Yeah, great. I'll uh, you can do it, bro. You know, and I like to know. So I will subscribe to your channel, Dupli AI, and I like to know about your new videos. Please subscribe. Please upload your video. I'll be the first one to watch it. So and I will also you know add the bell icon, so I also get to know about the when you just drop the video, right? Because it's just like every day is like a learning journey for everyone, right? And I'm just trying to be myself. I'm trying to be like you, the real person, not trying to be scripted, not trying to be doing something. Do you have any tips and side hustle with vibe coding? Tips on side hustle, guys. You know what? That's the stuff. That's something actually. Oh, do you think making apps for pain points is better or just chasing the train? I will say that, for example, you can build the apps, and I will say that not, yes, for the pain points, definitely. Uh, and I will not say that you can just run through with the train. What's happened with the train? The train is like a train, you know. I will always compare the train with the train. Why I'm saying that? Train also, comes at the station and just going away. Just wait for like a 5 minutes or 1 minute, and then it's just going away. It will not stay there for longer. But if you want to make something, and if you just make something related to like a train, then it will be not going to stay there for longer period. Will be possibly like a 6 month, one year, and there will be new train again, and then your app will be lost somewhere in this world, right? So something you can create like apps, like I will show you, because I know this is not something this session for like explaining the things, but now people asking me, so I think I like to answer. You can also build the app through cloud. You know, you can also build the mobile apps through cloud as well, and then you can post it on the Play Store. As I also have a Play Store account, and I'm also going to build that something with the mobile app. But to answer again to your question, don't chase the trends, guys. Trend, it's not the solution to build something like which can be stay there for longer. Train will be there only for until the train remain, or otherwise it will be again wash out your app from the market. So best you can build something like a basic stuff. Like for example, uh, I have one example, like you can build um, with the AI. You can definitely. I'm not saying AI is a trend. I'm saying AI is a feature. You can add the feature into existing application, and you can build with that. Like for example, PDF or like receipt your tech stack. Aniruddha Khanna. Hey, hi Aniruddha. Honestly, hands-on heart, was the brand scan website built out of actual problem you faced, or it was inspired from competitor? Um, Actually, before you, I would like to answer Aniruddha Khanna. Guys, I will let's I will brand scan. I will discuss. I will just take the example of my brand scan app I build. This is a SaaS app I build. So, and to the question to you as well, Aniruddha, I built this app with the anti-gravity IDE, and also JavaScript and all. And also for the database, I use a Supabase, and also I use for hosting. I'm using Netlify for now. And to answer to your question from um, or actual problem you face. Yes, actually, not if this is like an actual problem I face, but when I was thinking that nowadays that this is the new stuff. I'm not saying this is like a new trend or something. I'm saying that this is a new stuff, new thing in the market, you know, and this is like before it's like a SEO, for the websites and for the branding and from brands they just want to rank on the Google and other search engines, most of the time Google. But now the time is not for the Google. Now the time is for the AI searching. For example, if I just go here, I say new, I can say more, okay, what is the best, we can say more mobile, say AI mobile phone, whatever is that, mobile available in market. Let's see. And then it will give me some kind of answers, right? Like a 5 to 10 options possibly. doing a lot of research now. So then it will give me some answers. As you can see, this is, oh, okay, wait, this is too fast. So now Google Pixel is the one, right? iPhone and Samsung. So when I will going to log in and I will say, okay, just log in. Guys, do not try to uh, just copy and all. Okay, so as you can see, I already add WhatsApp here, right? And if I can just delete settings, brand configuration, I will say is delete Zepto. Zepto is actually a big brand in the India. So delete Zepto, right? Now I remove one brand, and because of I don't have a subscription, what I'm gonna do, which is subscription plans I have. Okay, manage subscription. I cannot do it yet because this is still needs to be fixed. You know what? Um, okay, to answer to your question, even I am thinking of starting my building progress in public, but I have this anxiety of going live and putting my face out there. Doesn't matter, man. Doesn't matter. Like when you're just thinking like, the building stuff or going live on YouTube, this is the same as when you're walking on the street, right? When you're walking on the street and when you like, okay, how people can react to me, how they can looking at me, how they're talking to me, how they're what are what t-shirts I wear today, and how I speak. Possibly my English is not good one. I'm making a lot of cheating mistake with my English, but I don't care, man. you know because if I'm not making mistakes, how can I learn things as well, right? So I don't care about that. I stop thinking about the people first, right? I have to stop thinking about the other people, what they think about me. Because if I have start thinking about others, then I will be not something by myself, right? I have to be first accept what I have, what I am. I'm looking a dark charm or whatever is that, I'm not saying that stuff. But yeah, so it's like just forget about other people, what they think. Just go live. You want to do it, just do it now. How did your friends and colleagues react to your channel, to example, when you started? You know what, bro? I will tell you the real thing. Because now you ask me. Uh, yeah, yeah. We know what when actually 10 years back, not now, when there is a YouTube, not 10 but like a 6 7 years back, yeah. There is a YouTube, and but people, and I started my channel, and I was like, okay, let me start something. I don't have that much like a strong system support and all. I have like a 16 GB or 8 GB RAM or something laptop, which is also from my office, and I want to actually do something in my life. I'm really tired of staying. I'm doing my job and all. But then actually when actually doing it and I start doing it, I also get some good response from other people. And your friends and family, you're always thinking about, oh yeah, um how my friends there think about me, how I can share my the YouTube link in a WhatsApp group, or I'm start sharing all my WhatsApp group or my subscription link, to all my WhatsApp groups, and say, guys, please subscribe to my channel, and all this things. But then I realize after some days, like, if still they're your friends and family, they're not yet subscribed to your channel. you know that's actually really fun. And I feel like really like anxiety kind of, like, bro, why not they're subscribing, and why what I did mistake, what mistake I did, did I make my channel nice or something? And then I realize, okay, forget about them. After some times, I actually stopped doing it, and then I realized, let's think about me first, and never ever share your subscription link, your channel link in a WhatsApp status on a WhatsApp group. The friends and family, trust me, don't do it. I had the same thoughts to be seeing Instagrammers making lakhs by making flavor content change my mind. Cringe is in, bro. Man, I wish was extrovert enough to make cringe shit on Insta. No, bro, trust me. No, you don't have to be cringe and all. If it is your personality, if you really enjoying that, then something you can try, because I also try. I'm not saying I'm not like try and try. I try to be make like a viral content. One of my video went viral, like get the like a 10 millions of views on Instagram, and I also get some like 100k, 100 not k, but 100 followers and all, or 200 followers, something from that. But then then people actually once they follow you from that niche, then they expect you to do that thing again and again and again and again and again. So, for example, now I'm doing this live stream, right, with the technical stuff and all. So you guys, viewers, you want me to do something related to technical, not like gaming stuff, or not like dancing on the coming on the live and I'm start dancing, right? Because you start with the one niche. Because that also I made a mistake. I started with a lot of niches. Like sometimes I'm doing gaming, sometimes I'm doing traveling, sometimes motivation, sometimes news, bro. Then you're not able to focus on one thing, and you'll be get distracted, you'll be get demotivated and all. So focus on one thing. So I only started, I want to do tech things. I like tech. I'm a system engineer. I'm also IT manager. I'm working full-time IT manager as well. I have like more than 10 years of experience in IT. I have an IT degree. So yes, yes, that I'm saying. Let's cool. Let's focus on app building now. Let's finish this topic of motivational topic. I will I will start the session, and I will also invite you guys also to join that session to discuss a lot of this. So what's in your mind, Aniruddha? What are you trying to build? What do you want to build? So let me tell me. Do you have any ideas? Or viewers? I can see that there's 7 viewers, but I would love if you guys type or if you comment in the chat. I would love if you also show your interest. Don't I mean, I'm not something like going to be, if you don't want, I can also not, I will not call out your name as well. If you don't want me to be call out your name, right? That's fine. Yeah, that's the problem. Like nobody have any idea what's the idea they can build or they can start with. But I want to do it, right? And how you can find the idea. That's where I started my session. Where to find the idea. And that's where I also went to cloud. But before that, I also went to, and you know what? I will also tell you one or more story, like how you can find the idea. Let's go to product hunt. Or not this one. Product hunt. What is product hunt? Where you can they're listing, you can list your application as well when you can launch your application whenever you build something. Okay, then share your ideas. Share one of the idea you want me to build. We can build that idea in the public, because still I'm in the middle of, I say that yeah, possibly we get bored, but when that application building, or when you have a goal, you know like okay, I want to build, because as you already know that about my streaming, right? Why I'm doing this, I have a goal, right? I have a goal. If I go to my channel, you can see, you can look at my stream. As you can see, I have a goal, you know, I have a goal. We need a goal actually. So if you don't have a goal, you get bored. You don't know what to do tomorrow. You know, you don't know what to do day after tomorrow. But I say that I have a goal. I want to do it until I make 1 crore rupees. 1 crore rupees. So that's why I gave myself a goal. I want to do it. So let's start doing it. Let's stop wasting other viewers' time as well. Let's make it more productive. So if you're not getting any ideas, what we can build or something, we can also get inspired by the other people. That's one of the easiest step you can also make. Um, as you can see, there's a lot of people they launch their platform on the product hunt because this is really amazing and trendy and the best platform where you can, if you build something, launch it on product hunt. I will also in the later on how I will show you how to launch it on product hunt, so that complete journey. But let's find the good idea, right? So there is a trending categories. There's also, start with this. So anyway, zoo data, live demo, open source alternative to storyline, name arcade, live demo. What is that? Let's check. Open source, create interactive product demos in minute, capture any workflow, add AI voiceovers. Oh yeah, this is also one of the nice idea, right? Because I'm seeing that if you build your product, but you're not able to actually create a demo of it, like because as you can see, this said like interactive demo for your website, which we can put it on the like I will show you on my brand scan. I create this demo, right? If you can just click on the play button and then you say like a get started and may this is a clickable, right? You can learn about the application without giving it access. But this is not the too much interactive, right? You want like you want to feel like you're using a real time application. So that's something kind of a thing. Turn your SaaS into a clickable demo. Yeah, to see there's a two ideas on the same time, but they both getting a attraction. Does that mean that we should not do it? Yes, we can do it, right? We can click Mirage. It's launching today on. They already have a website. Let's see. Let buyers walk through your product before they even talk to you. So let's see. Yeah, this is the same. This is the same what I just guys show you about it, right? Uh, the same product, right? Which already built by somebody else, but they already still they're building it, right? So they already build, I mean, the new one as well. Live demo. They already have a 10K views every month visitors, and this one also have like they don't have much of the visitors. Mirage 370. See guys, I want to show you this one. Look at the statics. I mean, the when they bought this domain, it's 10 days ago, the Mirage, they bought the domain 10 days ago, right? And bought it for almost for 4 or 5 years, right? And they recently launched this application on Product Hunt and not even launched yet, right? Launching today. So it's launched today, it's already launched or not. And they already get the nice upwards, like already 115. And people already talking about that, right? So that's the thing, right? So this will be getting also nice. They already have us 87 followers and all. So they let's launch today, but they have the. So this is like a working idea. That's why it's getting more attraction, right? And I'm not saying this is like a trend. I'm saying like this is a new stuff. This is a problem statement that people they are fixing it, right? And uh that's why also they're getting attraction when they launch something like this. So there's a building landing pages, right? Are oh sorry, their website is not working. So I'm saying playable cloud, unbiased for cloud, shared memory across all apps, LLMs in one in cloud. What is that? So this is like a platform where you can also. Hey, hi, Junaid. Yeah, actually, I was in the beginning. I was also talking about the AI travel planner app. But again, I'm because this video, this first day or day zero, is morely on how we can find the good idea for which can help us to make you know reach the goal, reach my goal. So we are looking for the idea. Um, Real-time structured search trusted by agent and developers. Open source API Y Combinator. Um, Chat cuts. Open source workspace for AI agents and workflows. Fundraisely. Okay, got it. You are on the idea acquisition state. Yes, yes, yes. So I already thought about the idea, like AI travel planner, but still, as you can see, I'm doing that some but some of my viewers they also mentioned that this is possibly the actually it is crowded market and all. So if anyone has any idea, I will love if you guys share that in the chat, and we can also review that idea. We can also verdict that idea, and we'll see if we can build it here. um, and so you know what, I want also guys you to uh, comment about the idea. I'm telling you the idea is the AI travel planner. Please comment in the chat if you also if you also want me to build on that idea. What do you thought? Just comment like to this video or subscribe. Then we'll show. Then I will get to know. Okay, this is something which I can build. um, I would love to know if you guys comment or if you can like or subscribe. Um, Otherwise, I'm going to build that idea. I will also show you what I already built, right? Okay, on the idea. Already built the brand scan AI. This is actually it's a good idea. I will say must we have a good UI UX, not just no, yeah, definitely not. You need actually really nice AI UI. I will show you as you can see. This is also I built this idea, brand scan AI, and this is I completely built it by myself from the scratch. Uh, like a brand scan AI, I built this one as you can see the UI and everything. Um, from this is a working and this is also how feature what this idea is doing. This app is doing. This app is doing like where you can also track your brands, in the AI chats or AI responses, how people there, how okay, your positioning of your brand, visibility, sentiment, average position when you um, get to know about your brand. So, for example, like WhatsApp, I target WhatsApp, and if I can say the prompts, I write it down here, and what this is doing that it will going to be prompt on AI from the backend, and then it will give me the results here, and then with that, it's give me the positioning, and I say, okay, it's a positive, and it's create some kind of a score, and it's doing it all the time, and also have the automation already in place where these prompts will run every day as well, right? I will show you here. If I can just go here, I can see automated scanning. So if I just turn it on daily and save schedule, Then, as you can see, last scan I did it 22 because this is still in the beta testing. I'm working on this, right? This is also one of, yes, yes, I'm using Supabase. I will show you guys. I'm also using Supabase. Yes, give me a second. Let me just get it out and let me sign in because I have a multiple accounts for Supabase. Uh, no, not this one. So yes, I'm using Supabase for registration, handling, and everything because this is the free and really strong application serverless database as well. Honestly, why I started this stream as well. That's also reason. Honestly, I can say I'm not a developer, guys. Honestly, I'm not a developer. But no, no, it's fine. Completely fine. I love that. If somebody asks me this question, I love that because I'm not a developer, but I want to build the stuff. And because of not just me, but not all lot of people, there are developers in this vibe coding. That's why the title of the stream is also vibe coding. I'm not saying that I'm a full stack developer, but I know some stuff. I know some coding stuff a little bit, but not like a full time developer. I'm a system engineer. I'm in IT stream. I'm like IT manager as well. I'm working as IT manager out right now, but I have like almost and more than 10 years experience in IT. But that's not a topic, right? The topic is that um, should I can build this one or I'm able to build something like this platform by myself or not? I am, and this is the example for that. And I will show you more. This is also verdict engine. I built it a long time back where you can also add your idea, where you can also build it. Because for now, I just stopped this one and this is on a real time one. And also, I guess I have another one, but no, at this moment, it's fine. So I think this database is not accessible at the moment because I'm not using it. But this is also one of a thing, right? Where if you have any idea, where you have onto any check competitors or for something else you can check also like they have roast or kind mode. This is also idea I built, um, and you can also build landing page and just all the stuff, and I'm using that actually Cloud AI in the backend for AI for this one. So this is also example I built. So I know I can build the stuff, but now as per my title of the stream, this app also can be the app which can be make a 1 crore, revenue. But like this is where I also doing this project in the other side, but I want to start something from the scratch. So where you guys also can, if you have that, because normally people they have the uh, oh, sorry, I can close this. Why I'm just looking at this one now. Because normally people they have the anxiety. They have like, oh yeah, they don't have confidence, more confidence on this. Yeah, I can they can build the stuff, can they can do it something by themselves? Can AI can really help them, or is it worth to spend that much time to build something, or is it worth to spend the tokens or AI tokens or subscription, So this is something for that. So that's why I want to make it more realistic. If like as a normal person, if I start building this, is it really I can build it or no, So or any common person can build it, build something or app in these days. So you know what? We can start building the AI travel planner. I know we will. I can just start it. It's not like is something you already build it and then you can uh, not make something else as well. Yes, definitely you can, but I want to actually start doing it. So let's start it. Um, let's close this all the stuff. It's open. Let's just close it, right? But guys, if you also have something in your mind, like we can build that stuff, I will suggest you can subscribe to the channel, um, and then keep notified with my new videos, because I'm still, I can, yes, as you can see, I'm still in the idea phase where I want to um, decide it. And why I'm doing this, like I can also do it like in the different way. I can just start by uh, already decide my idea. I will just start building it, right? Open this anti-gravity. I write the prompt. I say, okay, bro, you know what? Uh, please give me the. This is actually the normal way how people when they actually start building it, they're just doing this way, right? Okay, please give me the prompt. First, before that, I want to build this with help of the gravity IDE and for database Supabase and okay. For now, it's enough. Okay, so you generate. How much do you spend monthly on AI subscription? Aniruddha, I only have a cloud subscription. And how much I'm spending? $20? Oh, no, not dollars, euros. Settings. I can show you subscription billing. Yeah, it's 21 euros. So it's almost like 20 200 rupees monthly. But it's worth it, trust me, because in this AI world, you need to have at least one subscription if you can make it. Otherwise, there is also AI where we can also install on your mobile phone and you can use it free. uh, yes, I'm also using no, I don't have any subscription for anti-gravity. I'm using cloud in anti-gravity. So I will show you that how I'm using cloud in anti-gravity directly. I'm not dependent on any anti-gravity subscription, because nowadays the anti-gravity models are really fast, but they really consume really quickly the tokens. But it's not, initially they're really not fine, but nowadays they're really expensive. So I'm not using that one as well. So generate a complete prompt to start with this. Okay, prompt to build this AI travel planner. But also, before that, what I can do, there's also a way you can first build this thing, let's take some inspiration first, how you going to build that. So because I'm taking inspiration from Lila, so I'm just taking some of the screenshot of it, right? It's not the wrong thing, guys. It's fine. As long as you build it, you can make it something nice stuff. Uh, that's fine, right? So this is like a home page. I'm just taking like okay. What I'm gonna save it, right? First, download. Where is my project? Uh, Google anti-gravity. What do you mean clouding anti-gravity? Are you using some API? No, I'm not using any API. Those must have their own cost. No, I will show you. Just give me a second. Let me just find my Google anti-gravity folder. No, bro. T, yeah, and AI travel planner, new folder, inspiration, right? So let's give like a number one, because for you need an inspiration, right? You cannot be like starting something from scratch. Can be spend can be took you a lot of time. So let me just clear some cookies, and we can just take a reload, and we can say create a new trip, and we have to take a new screenshot. Checked all. Where is that, bro? This is another one. See, this is like a typical way how people they're actually making nowadays. They're doing the vibe coding, yeah. So don't hate me for this. I'm trying to be as realistic how people are doing it, uh, and then eventually we will also face some kind of issues, right? The real-time issues and how we can get rid of it. That also cover in this video, right? So that's why I'm doing it all the way. Otherwise, I can also make like a nice prompt already before starting this live, and I can just copy paste, but it is not the one that you guys want to look, right? Want to you're looking for. So that's why I want to be make it more realistic. This is already taken by the screenshot. If I say uh okay, if I just take a screenshot of this as well. We are just taking some more all the important screenshot what we think, and then we can just start. Okay, I want to travel to Paris for 3 days, and then I'm gonna take another. Oh, bro, I want to actually see that she's typing. Then I will capture that as well. Okay, let me just take a. Oh, sorry, all the shitty stuff. We take another screenshot. Why I'm taking the screenshot, with the screenshot, it's helped my AI to understand and learn as well, right? So then it will be saves a lot of tokens as well. When you're going to talk to your AI, they don't have to thought about the more about or do research, because you're already giving more information, right? So you can say solo trip. So I want to take this screenshot. Actually, when Lila is typing, I will also tell to AI that don't just copy the name of Lila as it is. Let me just give a number, and let me go to the Lila again. Guys, don't hate me for like just taking a screenshot. This is all training and educational purpose, right? Um, Otherwise, somebody complain to Lila, yeah, this guy is just copying your platform and trying to build its own platform with this platform, whatever is that. So don't hate me for this. This is all learnings, right? Everyone's learning from every day. Where you're traveling from? Amsterdam. Yeah. So, and what are you planning to go? In September, and then September, Paris, perfection weather, blah 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 blah. Budget friendly. Now it says, the 555. So what I can do, I will just take a last screenshot of it and save as a 6 number. And then I will just click on generate my trip. And then I will just again take another screenshot, because as you can see, this trip is been generated 0%, because then we don't have to again give that details to uh, sorry guys if there is some noise, a background noise. So let me just take 8. And as you can see, it's generating. And doesn't matter, guys. It's really helpful if you take more screenshots, you know. It's help AI to understand more. Okay, now it's loading. So let it load first. Guys, if you're also new to the stream, what I'm doing, I will just quickly tell you. I'm building AI travel planner app with vibe coding. You know, this is all vibe coding I'm gonna do. I'm not going to write any code, but I already built some other platform as well, so I have some good experience with the other platforms, with the vibe coding, with the good tech stacks, with the background. So you're gonna learn it. If you also want to start building, you can start building together with me. I love to actually do that as well, right? Yeah, like a team collaboration. Um, as you can see, and I'm just now taking all the inspiration from the other tool. Oh, bro, shit. I was actually looking for to get take a screenshot, but now it's just wait away. I want to take a screenshot before it's actually asking me to pay. So because this is also the like a final page, right, for us. So let me take another screenshot. And now let me take this screenshot as well. That's good for understanding. Guys, if you're new to the channel, I'll be happy if you subscribe and if you like to my stream as well. Because I also have some kind of a goal with my subscriber a goal as well, like a 500 subscriber goal only have, and I don't have that much big goals, you know. I only have a goal. You already can look at in my stream title. But if you're new to the channel, I will love if you can subscribe and if you can like the stream. And you can say to get started and all. Okay, so let me just take a screenshot of this. I'm not going to add any this subscription at all at the moment. Now in the start, this will be building this thing in phases. Um, so let's me just close, close, and I'm not going to build the same as it is the same thing, right? Um, definitely. Definitely, there will be difference with the features, with the layout, with the AI, oh sorry, UI. Um, this is just for the inspiration. Okay, so now we have some more enough stuff, you know, with this one. And if you want, you can also. We don't need a starter one. Yeah, this fine. We got the enough inspiration now, right? So what we're gonna do? We will go to the uh, travel planner. But you know what? I can also do that. Um, just like go to the design because I also have design, right? Go to the design and build the first planner with the design, and then we can use that data directly in anti-gravity, you know, instead of because anti-gravity possibly it's not the best to build their UI and all. So we can first we can do, you know what? Uh, let it decide it by itself. So what I can say to Cloud, say that okay, let's add all the photos, downloads, anti-gravity folder. Where is my anti-gravity folder, bro? Anti-gravity. What is happening here? Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, here travel plan and inspiration. I think you can add maximum 20 photos at a time, I guess, in the cloud. So, I want to build this way with the help of Google Integrated ID database, ID. So generate a complete prompt to build. No, I want to build this app. I want to this little bit. I want to build this app. So please but don't use as it is. Create new design UI and colors and use this as inspiration. Okay, so let's see. We just need a prompt. I know I think I'm bad at prompting, guys. Sorry. Uh, so if you guys new to the stream, I can just tell you, I can just share the what I'm building. I'm building AI travel planner app with the help of anti-gravity and cloud AI. So and this is completely vibe coding, guys. I'm not going to do write any code, right? So and also this is going to be my journey towards making 1 crore rupees until with the vibe coding. So let's see how does this go. Um, since I started this stream, I was thinking about the idea. Then I was like, okay, I have some like a 50-50 with AI travel planner, but I was like, okay, let's build it. Let's get to know because you cannot decide anything. You don't know something until you build something, right? So best you can first build it and let's see, yeah, guys. And I think this is also kind of your journey, right? You also want to build something and also, um, yeah, let's start it and let's keep it doing it cloud and in the backend we will also set. I'm building AI travel planner cmail tracker. What is that? Okay, hi, cmail tracker. I'm building AI planner app um, with the help of cloud design for designing it the UI and all. And then after that I'm going to use anti-gravity with help of cloud. As you can see, I'm using cloud code. I'm not going to use um, anti-gravity models. As you can see, there is also anti-gravity models, free models you can use, including cloud also they're offering. So yeah, but I'm not going to do that. I have my own subscription. I'm going to use it. I already have a cloud subscription for that. But also, if you guys new to the channel, I'll be happy that if you subscribe and if you just complete that 330 subscriber, the only three needed for that. I have a 500 of goal for subscriber goal, but let's see, because subscription is like more like a motivating. Uh, I'll get motivated with that, So yeah, thank you. Somebody subscribe who subscribed it. I don't know. I think I forget to add something to like the subscription notification thing on the screen, right? Is this something I can add it from here or let me, until it's building it, what we can do, we can quickly add that in here. Streamlabs, right? I have to go to Streamlabs. I mean, guys, this is my also, I'm new, right? So let me go dashboard, I guess. I need to find that subscription or that notification thing. If somebody likes or if somebody subscribe. I think alert box. Is it alert box? Or how I can add this alert box? For subscriber, uh, how I can see it launch? So I don't know. I don't know how does it look like, but browse theme. I can just try to add in my stream. Um Browser subscriber button, subscriber button, and then I think this URL, and then refresh browser and becomes no refresh cache. Okay, guys, can somebody subscribe now? For testing, I want to check if this is worked or not. Uh, because I just added this alert box and I want to check if this will work. I just you can unsubscribe as well after that. I don't mind. I just want to check if this is works as well. If somebody subscribed, you know, if the it will come something like a name or what. I don't know. I can test YouTube subscribes. Oh yeah, yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Guys, it's fine. But still, if you want to subscribe, I will love you subscribe. No, it's fine, bro. How many times you can do test? Please don't do it now again, yeah? No, should, I think, close this one. Okay, so we are back. So if somebody subscribed now, it can be appear on the screen. Uh, um, so let's go back where we are at. We're actually, okay, before that also, somebody asked me how I can use that cloud in anti-gravity, right? So I will quickly show you that I already added here the plugin. So simply you can go to the extension and you can look for the cloud. You can look for the cloud and you can see only get the for anthropic for one, right? So you can just use anthropic and you can just install it because I already installed it. That's why it says disable or uninstall. So I already have it. Once you have it, then you can just close it here. You can see this will be appeared here in the left side. So then that's it, right? You can also see here new sessions and all the stuff, but I don't want to from here. And then if you can go here, you can see in the bottom, there is a way you can click on a cloud and then you can start using this directly in your anti-gravity, right? So from instead of auto plus, there's option for as well. You can also select the how do you want to do it. It's on auto or you want to first plan or you want to do it only coding stuff directly, you can do it as well. You can also choose the efforts, that how much efforts will be used. Uh, because if you use high effort, then your tokens will be also you consume really quick. So I will always use the medium, um, because sometimes if you use the highest, I mean, it will again we consume all the tokens. It will take a lot of time. So so let's me minimize this. First, as I mentioned to you, we're going to design the okay, bro. This already uh, okay, cloud design AI travel planning app, Wayfair design complete quality and native travel planning app. It should be okay. So give some kind of a coding, landing hero, your trip plan in a minute, trip builder, trip readiness, Ethernet results, requirements, mobile first responsive. This is phone first product design, the mobile layouts first class, then the wider web layout. Stun design system, document the color tokens, blah 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 blah. Deliver full set of screen plus the design system reference. Okay, cool. So, um, hey, hi Sandesh. So, guys, if you're new to the stream, please subscribe to the channel. It can help me to motivate me as well. And then, because I'm doing the stream since last 2 hours, um, and I'll want to do it more, because I know that possibly we don't get a chance to start building by ourselves, but somebody else is doing it, and it's also helping you as well, us to learn something from that, from my mistakes as well you learn. And I'm going to do the same thing what normal person is doing, not something like already build it, we have already prompt which is already built, and I'm just copy paste. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm building AI travel planner app, and we don't even need to open IDs anymore. What tech become? No, bro, I will suggest, I mean, build something at least by yourself. I know there is a dispatch, there is a remote control, there's a lot of stuff is coming in the world, but to feel it, I know we are not a coders, we are not typing any coding and all, but the journey to building something, that energy, that excitement, that's something we have to enjoy, as well. Because it doesn't matter if you not able to build some like a big stuff, big platform, or you can build, but it doesn't make it more successful, but the journey. Because I can tell you one truth of real truth, right? If you can looking at all the brands, or like not the brands but like a platform they build, they're not the that platform they build, it's not the first platform. It's to a second, it's fifth, it's 10th, it's 15th. That's one is going viral, not the platform but also the mobile application as well, right? They build and they publish, and not everything is going viral, not everything is getting attraction. So what I meant was building and validating MVP has become so much easier. The challenge, I think, is distribution and scaling. Yes, that's also true. That's and for that one also you have a lot of AIs, so which you don't have to do anything, right? Because I knew one of the AI where you can also just tell it like where you have this tool and you want to do the marketing, so that the AI will analyze it. AI will understand the market. AI will understand your product. AI will create a demo video. AI will start create a campaign or by itself on ads and or different platform like Meta and Instagram and YouTube, and start prompting. You just have to add your money. That's it. And then it will also give you some analytics and all, and also results. So bro, that's also not like a big problem. It's something, nowadays the real thing is that you nowadays you have AI, you have you have a tool where you can build stuff, where you can ship stuff, where to ship, where to build, where who is using, and how you can make money. It just thing is that you have to do it. You have to start somewhere. At least you have to open that AI. You have to tell that AI that start building it for me, this idea or this idea. If you at least we have to start doing that, right? But yeah, in future there will be more AIs, there will be more thing where You don't have to do anything, you know, like you have your own company, AI company. I have one. I have one that one of it, like a Staple. Is it a Staple called Staple AI? Staple or what? Pin. Something they call the pin, U-pin or something. Staple, pin, yeah, or something like that. Mm, I think I didn't get to know. I forget the name of that, but I think some there's AI that you can run your own company with that AI. So let's focus on this topic. And if you have still some questions, we will still continue with that. So now we have this one. Let's see. Cloud design from in it. It should be conversational product. AI company. I'm building AI travel planning app, like a web app, or then later on I can also show you how you can build a Android and iOS app as well with help of cloud, and you can how you can publish it on App Store. As you can see, I have a Play Console account, and I also show you that later on how you can build that, create your app console. Uh, you know, so that's also another thing. I have some app earlier that was got suspended and all. So, but now I again started doing it. So I have it right. So later on, I will also start showing that one later on once we have the app. So working name, uh, we can use Wayfair. Oh, how does sound the Wayfair? Doesn't matter. We will change the name later on, Wayfair, to something else. For now we can just use it, just copy it. What is saying that mobile first, since this is the phone. No, 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 this is not uh, this is web app, but also mobile responsive as well. And as you can see as well with this one, you can also see your uses, right? The token, I'm already used 90% of token, so I have to be careful. I know this is a paid one, but still. So this is MD. I can copy, and we'll go here and paste, and also attach file. I also attach all the images for reference, keeping the first 10 files. Okay. Uh, okay, if we have 10 files, I will remove some of them, so at least we have enough. I can add some more of them because the last one was so important. Okay, so this is Sonnet 5 we're using. Just hit. Okay. Did I made something mistake? No, right? No. So this is actually the real life thing that you're building in the public. That's why you're not hiding anything. I'm not hiding anything. I'm just doing it as it is, right? So what I can get that, okay, Cloud is, I have some questions. Before I design Wayfair, which screens matter most for this pass? Landing, strip builder, chat, readiness tracker, generation loading, eternity result, authentication model, auth model. Paywall, no, we don't want paywall yet. Account settings, view options, decide for me. Okay. How real should this feel? Static, high screens, visuals only, clickable prototype, chat flow, advanced tracks, fuels in generator. No, yes, we want a clickable one. Guys, if you're new to the stream, I'll be happy if you subscribe as well. I only have a really small goals, only 500 subscriber, so that's also keep motivating me. So yeah, it's all up to you guys. If you love my journey, if you want to see that's all the amazing things going to be happening, I love that. If you and also you can chat, it's you can comment in the chat. I would like to know what you have any questions, you're curious about it. How should, or if I'm making any mistake as well, you can also guide me. I'm also learner. I love to know. I love to learn from you guys as well. Okay, keep the sample content as 3 days solo budget Paris trip. Different destination travel profile decide for me. Yes, Paris solo budget, different destination traveler. Yes, different. No, yeah, different. How should mobile be shown? Desktop only for desktop plus mobile. Frame for each key screen. Include the dark mode variants. Yes, show it. No light only for now. Yeah, just do it. Should I produce a design system reference sheet, tokens, types, scales, components alongside the screens? Decide for me. Copy tone for AI company voice. Witty and warm per brief. More restrained, premium, less jokey. Decide for me. I think it should be less jokey, uh, more premium. But if we choose the less jokey, is it will be like a robot, you know? Or what do you think? It can be more normal, realistic, or yeah. For now, just witty and warm per brief. Let's see. For now, we just premium one. Select the design system. Multi-select is on. Pick as a many as you like, and we'll make. Where are you best? I'm based in Netherlands. I'm from Netherlands, which is a European country. And guys, one more thing. If you also have already built something and with the no code builder, with anything with Lowable, Bolt, or Google IDE or anything, I'm happy to also review that in my live stream. So you can also put in the chat. We also review your product. If you want, we can also try to use it as it is now. It can be uh, yeah, so let's continue with that. And if you guys new to stream, I'm building AI travel planner web app, and later on we can also build a mobile app. So with the vibe coding and with cloud, anti-gravity, IDE, and other AI tools and APIs and lots of fun and database and all. If you're new to stream, I love if you can subscribe to the channel. It is just 328. You can just add two more and make it 330. I love you guys. So just let me check. Continue. Multi. I want it to decide for me, but now it's like, guys, what do you think? Which can be you like it? Design system. It's more modernist, more classic, nocturne. You know what? Industry, organic. I think organic will be no, not organic. Is like more this one. Classic. No, modernize. Let us make modernize or more with organic as well, mix with organic. Let's see. Let's see what will be or what will be coming. Use the edit button in the toolbar to edit the design directly. Yeah, that's also new feature, of cloud design. You can start editing inside of the stuff. So where you don't have to all ask every time to the AI to make changes. So which you can also save your tokens with that. Guys, if you're new to the stream, like, subscribe, that way you're gonna motivate me. I can see we have 10 viewers. If you're also excited and you like my journey and you also want to build something, um, subscribe it. It's not too hard, that stuff. Then you can keep up to it, because I'm going to come every day live stream for this, so you can get notified as well, and you don't miss this amazing journey. And there's a lot of fun is going to be happen, and I'm also going to review your stuff as well. um, if you also build something and all. So let's see what shit is still doing it work. So let it work. I don't know how this will be look like, but let's see. Let's wait. I also want to know from you that you're building or you're thinking to build something. So if you can comment in the chat. I'll get to know that um, you guys also have something ideas or something. I love to know. And what I'm saying, for the cloud, like anti-gravity, I already just showed that how you can add the cloud code, like a cloud code in anti-gravity, because I'm going to use all cloud code, my own subscribed models in cloud code, paid models. So then I don't have to any limits at all. And I can keep maintain that quality of the code as well and everything. Let's wait. Still okay. Do direction frames, but build on canvas for the landing hero section. One is modernized, la la la, inorganic grounded seems great. Nice, Sandesh. So is it the is it the app, or is it like let me just get the chatting comment window here, so I can read its comments. So, Sandesh, is it a mobile app, or is it like a web app, or how is that? Because if you want, I can also, uh, you know, uh, oh, bro, it's anyway. So Cloud is actually doing his work. So let it doing. Hey, I built the app. Okay. So if you can share that link or something, we can also wave that app here. Um, you can also open that app in the live stream. And also more for like, okay, still doing it, founding issues and fixing it now. It doesn't look that much good, but yeah, let's see. Let's wait, because until we get the complete results, we should not uh, make any comment on it, right? So let's wait for the result. Let's do. Um, Guys, anyone else build an app or something which you like to share and comment as well? I mean, to share so we can look, we all together, we can check that app, and also I can review that app as well. I'm happy to know. And what I was doing. Okay, also I already show you guys how to install and get the cloud code install on your anti-gravity. But now, because of right now, we're just first building through the checking the design for issues. Oh, we use Sonnet? Shit. That's why switch model, bro. I don't want to use Sonnet. That's why this is not designing that level of the designing. Yeah. Shit, sorry. My bad. Continue with this. So you know what I'm gonna use with effort high, change effort. So that's why this is not like the one I'm looking for. Uses. See, we have a different uses for Fable as well. So mm, still thinking. Now we are using Fable model. Uh, so let's see. That's why this is looks really different than what I was thinking before. Not what I'm looking for. So let's wait until it's doing some its magic. Reading skills prompt and all. And what I can do. This is something we actually gave it. And guys, I also want to just quickly show you that I already built one desktop application as well with help of cloud. So like as I will just want to quickly give you the theme of it. This is also the browser I built, and this is the installable browser. You can install this browser in your Windows laptop or desktop, and you can use this browser as it is. So I know this is like similar kind of uh, Chrome, but this is my browser, guys. I don't care if it is look like a Chrome or a little bit. So, but with the browser, I can also I'm still building some of the more stuff with the browser. Um, Here I'll build an app. I'm not able to. But do you have any website or anything where we can also check your app? We can also open the app. If it is the web app, if it is the Android app, then it's fine. But with the browser, as you can see, this is a spreadsheet. This is the inbuilt feature for this browser. You know, I'm not promoting my browser at all. I'm not promoting it. I'm just showing it to you guys what I built with the no code. I mean, not with the no code, with I can say more with a cloud. And you can also build your own applications and install on your laptops, and you don't have to pay anything to anyone, right? So as you can see, this is like a sheet. I can add more sheets. This is a complete sheets, not sheets, but like a sheet, uh, uh, spreadsheet, I can say. Drop off for some time, but back now. Did you show your anti-gravity setup? What did you mean by cloud? It's not letting me to send. Okay, you cannot just send URL, but you can just send like just a name of the your website in this format. Also, you can send. I will just give me a second. Mm, I will show you how you can also send. I think you can also type like this, right? Like your your app, and then you can give a dash instead of dot and .com or whatever is that. Possibly you can try this. I don't know as well, right? So you can figure it out. Yes. Hey, hi Aniruddha. Welcome back. Um, actually, haven't. I mean, I only set up the folder and I added a cloud. You want to see again how I added the cloud code in how I added a cloud code in anti-gravity? I'm happy to show you as well one more time. It's fine. And this is already logged in with my account, so I'm not using like a free or something. Um, Search the drill, gamma fill habits, keywords. Okay, let's now is it doing adding password, whatever is that. That is completed. So until that time, let's open our browser. Oh yeah, you mean the cloud. Sorry, I missed it. Oh, sorry, I'm really bad at the, I think pronouncing the cloud or cloudy. So let's search in Google. This is a browser I built actually. This is my own browser as well. I built this browser. So let's open this drill. Oh, is this the one your application, Sandesh? Guys, I'm not promoting application, anything. This is not, I'm promoting you can download and all, but I'm just because one of our viewer and did you subscribe? If not, it's fine as well. They he built the application. Did you build it by yourself? Oh, amazing, man. Nice, nice logo. You know, I like the logo. It's gave some kind of energy. Guys, this application is built by one of our subscriber. His name Sandesh, and uh, amazing. I haven't used this application, so you build better habits together. Track your discipline, create challenge with friends. Also tech stack you use, Sandesh. Yeah, Sandesh, see, now people are getting really excited about your application. So if you can tell share what are the tech stack you use. Yes, where you can see the Sandesh name here on this, guys. So it's a Sandesh application. Yeah, yeah, he's not lying, guys. He's not lying. Don't think in that way. It's look nice. Uh, Flutter, Firebase, Node.js. So how much time you spend, Sandesh, to building this application, and how much money you spend as well? Guys, I'm going to try his application. Trust me, I'm super excited. See, I also have Android phone. I also have my iPhone. So if you guys have any iOS application, I love to see. So let's see. I'm excited to see that his application in Play Store. Is it available for everyone, like globally, or is only available for uh, oh shit, I have a low battery on my Android phone. I'm not using my Android phone that much, so sorry about that. Just give me a second. I know, guys, we are building AI app, AI travel planner application, but this is just because of one of my subscriber. He showed up that he's built something application. So I am really excited to just looking at the application and not a review or something, but just to I'm happy to see it. You know that some people they are building something and all. That's like some kind of a motivation that gives me always. So if you're not subscribed it, just click on subscribe, guys. Then I also and I'm not reviewing only because you guys subscribe. Yeah, I will suggest, it's up to you how you want to try. Let me search his application, guys. I'm also searching. If you can look at my screen, I'm also going to search his application. This is not a promotion at all. I'm telling you guys, this is not promotion. Okay, I'm just hiding. Otherwise, it looks like a promotion, right? I'm not promoting anything. I'm just curious, and I'm just want to keep him motivated with his journey, application building journey, because that's my one of a target, right? Because guys, at the end we have to help each other, right? Real gamified habits. What does it mean, gamified habits, man? It's like playing a game or something like, you know. Oh wow. I just found this application on a Play Store, guys. Uh, gamified solo developer or a team. Are you a solo developer or team? So see, guys, I've just found this application, Drill, uh, and I'm going to install it. I'm going to install it now. I know this is completely look like a promotion, but I'm not doing it the promotion, guys. Trust me. So let me just close this and go to our project and continue there. But I'm installing the application, yeah, Sandesh. I'm installing. Now you're going to have a 29 users, right? Now you're going to have 29 users. And definitely you'll be giving me something like a free trial, right? I'm not promoted, but yeah, no, I'm kidding. Okay, so let's go back here. This is really um this is really, I don't know what is this look like. But I hate this design. Trust me, guys. I don't know why, but this is really, I don't think that I want something like this. I don't know what's happened to this system, but I'm going to be attaching this 6 images and also more from last of some 5 images we can attach. The design is not close to the attach screen attach AI planner platform. So please analyze it and build best UI. Also add icons and images if needed. Bro, this app is the, I mean, I don't know if possibly it's my mistake that I mean I didn't give the proper prompt or something. But yeah, anyway, you know what? I was just trying to fix it. But this is something that's this kind of issues or this kind of thing what we are doing it in the normal days, right? When we are trying to become a solopreneur, we can be trying to become a do it by ourselves. We're learning things, right? So, and I want to show you that how we can tackle from this, how we can build, how we can save time from this thing. Yes, Sandesh, you're always welcome, bro. And I'm happy that you subscribe to my channel. If not, still fine. I don't know why this is didn't show me the subscriber button. Interact, refresh, interact, not interact, properties. Can somebody subscribe and yeah, if you like, you can subscribe as well. But yeah, I because I have the button, but I cannot see someone if someone subscribed to my channel. Is it something wrong? Or subscriber button, subscriber count. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. Thanks, Sandesh. Um, we just go back here. I haven't started it in anti-gravity yet because of I have actually before before when I was building different platforms. I will show you. I have a project open as well. Open folder. No, let's make a new window, and I will show you my existing application. I built it already, downloads and Google projects and the geo tracker or radar kit, which way I can show you guys. I can show you geo tracker. Clean desk setup. I've coded a redesign a page of my e-com store. Want to see? Yeah, man, I love to see a clean desk setup. Is it your YouTube channel, Clean Desk Setup? I love to see your work because that's something like our inspiration, possibly. So let's see. You can share. You have a link or something, guys. You can also share in this chat. And I love if you guys also subscribe to my channel. This kind of a motivation I get it from you, and that's kind of like a both way, like a it's like a give and take. If we think about if we think nice about someone, then something is also nice things coming to us like a karma. So, and I believe in the karma. So I'm doing the streams in last through more than, I guess, how much hour I'm doing the stream. Whoa, 3 hours I'm doing since from last 3 hours, bro. I don't even realize that and thank you, clean desk setup. Thank you. Let me search for clean desk setup. Is it your channel? I'm curious. Yeah, Oh, well, but how I can search the channel? I don't know if you have a channel or not. But if you can just search with this clean desk setup. In this way, you can also search for channels. This is not a channel. This is just a YouTube account, so it's fine. So we can go back to our work, where we are at. Bro, now AI is doing it, because I think I made mistake, I guess something, but I can see things change. Things now change. Just Google my name, clean deck setup. Okay, guys, I'm going to use my own browser, which I built it myself, called Ether. Uh, this is my own browser, guys. I'm proud to say I'm using my own browser. Yeah. So if you like the browser, you can also subscribe to the channel. If you don't like the browser, you can still subscribe to the channel. Um, I will go to the Google and search his name. No, bro. Is this one clean desk setup? And guys, this is not a promotion, yeah. Oh, wow. What is this exactly? What do you say? What are you building? Why could redesign a page of my e-com store? Oh, okay, 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 okay. So you wipe coded your page. Oh, this is your e-com store. Nice. Where are you based in? Nice, guys. This is on sale. I mean, I'm not promoting, again, I'm telling you guys, I'm not promoting anything. I'm not promoting CDS as well. This is just part of the stream. This is all real. So if you also have something which you like to share your work, this is also nice thing. But what are you using? You're using like a Shopify for your store, or how you build it, bro? And guys, I love if you can subscribe, because then now I'm building this community. I'm building this no code or whatever the vibe coding community, because in the next 30 days there will be the something amazing coming up for you. I'm going to plan, but I need like a big amount of people as well for that. It is not anything like paid or anything, but can be helped to anyone, pay him with the and use the custom code. Okay, okay, great. So nice, good job, bro. And if you guys like his thing, you can also visit. If you guys, why I'm saying all the promotional stuff, I know I'm just want to say nice stuff, but all those whenever I say it, it sounds like I'm promoting it. I'm not promoting it, guys. I'm not promoting. Bro, I had to close the site, otherwise it's look like I'm promoting it. I'm not promoting. I'm just showing you guys. And this is my own browser. I don't need the promo, but thanks. Yeah, I know, bro. You're doing already great job. So, but yeah, let's go back to our work. Um, as you can see, guys, it's still doing its work. But let's check our uses. Because we have a premium, but we still have a users limit. I use 100%. How come, bro? I thought the Fable they're not using this one, but now this is too much of it. So already use 100%. I think we need to stop a stream or something. What is saying that? Oh yeah. So as you can see, guys, we have a bad news. I use all my uses, the tokens. I should use not the Fable one, but no worries because I have a premium. So what I'm gonna do, I will go here, settings, uses. It will be back in 2 hours, right? And I'm streaming since last 3 hours, so I think I'll also get the one break. But as you can see, let's looking at our work. What we build yet? There is some of the stuff. Oh wow. Uh, Go back, refresh. Wayfair is Codex. I get way more out of it than Cloud. Okay, nice. We also try in the in future. I also tried use a Codex once with the free version, yeah, not the paid one, and it's I also find it very well nice. So it's like a cloud Codex, and if there is anyone else, they are really great tools for the building, like building the application, right? But I'm using cloud, so then I don't have to use the more other tools. So I was just using one for everything. But I will try later on. Create a trip for Paris. Say enter. Nothing happened. Say the good. It's a strong choice. 4 days. Whatever it is, because all the demo data, right? We are having right now. So who's coming? Just me. Say okay. Noted. Where are you setting off from? London. Okay, as you can see, guys, the right side is also completing stuff. I know just it's look like we just completely copy paste, but we're going to change the way of it's like. Otherwise, we'll be really looking like a clone. Because I can also call it more like, okay, do it like a pixel imperfect. Because when you're prompting, you can also say, yes, make it like a pixel perfect. Then it's just completely copy everything like a pixel perfect. But I don't want that, right? I want like with my own test, but let's see. September, yeah, mid-range. Now here's the plan, and I can say generate it. Now as you can see, it's generating our done work. So see you next time. Good luck, brother. Yeah, thank you, man. Yep, thank you. See you next time. As you can see, guys, this is already built it. The plan. 4 days Lisbon gateway for two and la la we full map. This is good. Looks good, and this is looks like a workable. Let's click on download. No, it's not going to happen anything. Okay, no worries. Go back. Yeah, because we also shared that screenshot. That's why it's also generated. We can click on get started. Also give us a login page and all, which we don't have anything yet. But yeah, later on we will also need use this. We need to use this, right, as well. We can just close and new trip, new trip, new trip, new trip. Okay, and there is also way we also have to add settings, login. Okay, this also go build most of the pages. Oh, there's also setting. Oh, it looks like, bro, completely copy paste, bro. I don't want that contact and all. There is nothing here. So it looks good. Uh, we can also edit, as you can see. We can also edit directly. Like we can say, remove from this, or we can add. There's also a lot of things. We can also add the image, uh, like a background appearance, hero image. There's lots of stuff we can do manually. We can remove this as well. We can change this. So there's lots of stuff. We can change the background, image, none, color, gradient, and then we can say the different gradient as well. So real time. We don't need to have any AI subscription. I mean, yes, we need it, but we don't need to use any code or like a token as well for this. You can also add any kind of image or something in the backend. You know, for now it's null. Color. You can also add some color. Which can you liked it best? Because we mix the themes, that's why it's also mixed something more, right? Yeah. For okay, so done here for this stream, and I will also come back again later on today once we have enough things, enough tokens, and I will end my stream here. And I hope this will be useful for you guys, and we will come back again. I will come back again, and if you have any questions and queries, you can also drop in the comment, and if you are new, I will love you if you can subscribe as well. I will love if you don't as well, that's fine. But this is a journey. This is the first video of day zero, and we will start. This is just we just started, right? So we have a long run to go, and yeah, so if you're also building something, please also drop in the chat. I will love to review it. Thank you guys, and thank you to listening me and to be part of my journey. Bye bye. Thank you.